number 3, everyone kindly read.
A card is drawn randomly from a box containing cards numbered 1 to 10. What is the theoretical probability of getting a number more than 6?
Okay, so step 1, let us analyze the given situation. Then after that, step number 2 is identify the set of all possible outcomes. So based on the given situation, okay, what is the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang? Okay, para maging sample space, what we're going to do? Capital letter S and then use braces or brackets. So this is the sample space, 1 to 10. Then after that, so identify the favorable outcomes. Ano po ba yung event na sinabi? What is the theoretical probability of getting a number more than 6? Ano sa Tagalog na more than 6? Mas mataas sa 6. At anong number po yun? Okay, very good. Start tayo sa 7, 8, 9, 10. So para maging favorable outcomes, anak, ang gagamitin naman natin ay capital letter T. Then braces or bracket ulit. Then sulat mo yung sagot mo. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So after that, kapag meron na tayo, anak, sample space at favorable outcome, mabilis na nating masasagot to. So to find the probability of getting a number more than 6, bilangin mo lang, anak, ilan ba yung favorable outcomes? Okay, 4. Kasi N of E, ito po yun, number of favorable outcome. We have 4. Over N of S, sample space. Ilan po? Okay, so therefore we have 4 over 10. Now, do you think 4 over 10 is already the answer? No, why? Because 4 and 10 are both divisible by 2. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa natin i-lowest term. Now, what is the simplest form of 4 over 10? 2/5. Paano naging 2/5? Dinivide sa 2. So, 4 divided by 2, and then 10 divided by 2. So, therefore, the answer is 2/5. Now, what is the equivalent of 2/5 to decimal? How to convert fraction to decimal? Divide 2 by 5. So, ano yung nasa loob, anak? 2. Very good. And then yung nasa labas ay 5. So, 2 divided by 5 can be, cannot be. So, what we're going to do? Okay, so pag nag-add ng 0, take note, anak, yung decimal point, lalabas na yan at kukopyahin sa taas. Then after that, divide na natin. 20 divided by 5. So, multiplication, 4 times 5. Then 20 minus 20. Okay, therefore, 2 over 5 is equal to 0.4 or 0.4. Now, how to convert decimal to percent? Move the decimal point going to the how many times? Okay, how many times? 2 times. So this will become 1, 2. What we're going to do here? Add 0. So therefore, 0.4 is equivalent to 40%.